So as a scalper, non-bias, intraday volatility only scalper, with the context that that daily buy side and balance sell side efficiency high down here, we left it. We had this short-term high taken here. We dropped down, didn't take out that low, ran higher. This gap right there, trading right there, that would have been a nice little long to go up into that level there and then just stop. Don't do anything because we're inside of the range from this premium to the discount level. So we've already traded to it here. It's respecting and gravitating towards it. And if it's going to run, where were the buy stops that were trailed? If anybody was short here, it's going to be above this high. It didn't go above that high on this one here. It leaves the buy stops intact until it gets there. So if it's going to go to the buy stops here, always think about how it can go beyond that. For what purpose? Inefficiency or another additional closer proximity, higher high. That inefficiency is there. So we're trading up to it there. So this is a nice little bread and butter scalp that could have been done. You might want to journal on that. Look at lower time frames on the 15 and 30 second chart too. There's more information on that.